is a tour of my front garden. Spring, May 2022. Okay guys, so now I'll show you my garden. We'll start with this. Okay guys, this plant, I don't know what's the name. So anyone of you who know the name of this plant, please let me know in the comment section below. This plant, these flowers are smells nice guys. As of now, the sun is so hot, that's why they are limping. They are limp.
And who's that young man
and, and look
erasing the...
and look at our son guys. He's busy eating. And this is still flowering. This started flowering at the start of March and still flowering until now. So these all my flowers here, they are long flowering. And this as well. Geranium. So these flowers long. I think these flowers all season. So this is a very nice plant to have in the garden. And this one, this is a new one. I don't know what is this. It's very cute. It's so tiny. It's very nice. I'll see if it's... This one smell. Okay, so that was the lily that's done flowering. So just... Okay, and look at this guys. This
Careful.
is Clematis. Look at the Clematis. It's so nice. The color is so lovely. Look at the stripy color. It's like neon. It looks like they are very striking color. So nice. Until here, see? Look at this guys. It's a lot until there. They are everywhere. So I planted this so when the roses no flowers yet, then the clematis will flower first before the roses. So after the clematis gone flowering, and then the roses will start flowering. So in this garden, in the front garden, is at the start of spring, it will be non-stop flowering until autumn. Okay guys, so the next flowers guys is this Cystus. The name is called Cystus. So it looks like paper guys. They are so delicate. Very very delicate petals. It's so thin and nice. And look at that. This is only one plant, guys. And what happened is, when I planted it in there, and then it lie down, crawling towards the middle of the garden, of the pavement, what do you call this area? So and it's a lot. So there's a lot in here. So this will be non-stop flowering until summer. It's so nice guys. I got another color at the back. It's pink color. And I don't know if it's flowering already. But this is very nice. This Cystus is very happy in this area. So I'm waiting for my hydrangeas to flower. Actually, they got very tiny florets already. So in a few weeks they will be opening. But the hydrangeas will flower until autumn. So that's long flowering as well. So this is it guys. This is my garden. This is my front garden. See how amazing it is. So these flowers, the flowers every year after year after year. So I don't plant any more plants here because I think it's already dense with plants and there's no more space to plant. That's why all the other plants are in the pots. And I think I need more pots to put in here. So it becomes like a jungle. So this is roses, and I think they will flower soon as well because they got buds already. Okay. So okay guys, so okay, there's another some more in there. Okay, so this is wallflower, I think. I, I forgot the name of these flowers, guys. I think it's wallflower. It's so nice. So what I do is once it's finished flowering, I take that and put it there, so they will flowers more. So that's how I do. So and this one as well. These are geraniums and some more in there. So, so okay guys, so this is it for today. Thank you. So this is it guys. Thank you for watching today and see you in my next video. Thank you. Ta-ra! Love, love, love.